Hey guys, this is awhile now too, and this is going to be mini fire alarm system test 17. I believe it's been a while, so let's get started. So anyway, here's the panel right here, 2-zone with zones of vision. You can see in there. Nothing much really, nothing much really changed in there. Just now. We got the notifier LNG1R. Got a Potter SH1224W. I think it's at the code free broadband. Candela is set to I think 35 candela. Kind of weird for this alarm, but we got a system tester 2312/24B smoke detector, and with the Siemens UMCI/W. So here we go. Now alarm is zone 1. You can see that. That silence. There's a total station with the notifier key. If I can find it here. Reset. Actually, no, it's the activate zone. Oh, actually, no, we gotta reset it. So, reset. All right, now let's do the detector. So, here it is. Oh, focus here. There we go. Okay. Zone 2, you can see now we have an alarm zone 2 is way out of focus here. Kind of see it says around alarm zone 2. We'll silence it there. You can see now I have a zone 2 alarm. And this thing keeps getting out, and my phone keeps getting out of focus here for some odd reason. There we go. So now we're reset. Okay. Okay, detector's reset. So yeah. There it is, guys. Thank you for watching. This was mini fire alarm system test 17. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.